Hi everyone, today let's do the LeetCode 31 next permutation. I will not read the title, we just go ahead. For example, we have a integers list 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6. So first step, we'll iterate the whole list from right to left. So we start 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. And what we are looking for is the number I is greater than the number I minus 1. For example, with 6 is not greater than 7, so go ahead. And when we got 9 here, right now I is here, and I minus 1 will be 5. So we find this one is greater than this one, and we find the pivot. We find our pivot, and what we can see is the right side. All the lists and the right side of the pivot will be a decreasing order. Someone said if here has 2, it's not decreasing. If here is 2, we can find 6 is greater than 2, and the pivot will be here. Okay, so we know that after the pivot, it will be a decreasing. It will be decreasing order. And what we need to do is just replace the first one. We go in loop again and find the first numbers is greater than the pivot, and just swap them. And the new list will be 3, 4, 6, 9, 8, 7, 5. So we can see the pivot and all the previous one, no change. And the right side still is a decreasing order. So is that the answer? No. We can see what the answer we need is 3, 4, 6, and 5, 7, 8, 9. That's what we are looking for. So after the pivot, here is an increasing order. But actually, when we finish this one, the pivot right side always be a decreasing order. So what we do is just reverse here, and it will change to here. So every time we just need to reverse the right side. And someone will say that we can sort the right side. Yes, sort is a solution, but sort will use the n and log n, the time complexity. But the reverse just need the n divided 2. So the reverse is much efficient. So we use the reverse as order because it's already sorted. So we just reverse it. And that's the whole solution. And one more condition we need to think about that is if here has the order, let me see, if it's the 3, 2, 1, 0. And can we find a pivot? No. We just go ahead. No, it's not greater. And we cannot find any pivot. That means this list is already in a decreasing order. So what we need to do, we just return its reverse. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's code. So first step, we need to find the pivot. So pivot right now, I give pivot initial is none. So if we finish the loop and did not find any pivot, That means we need to return the whole list, the reverse, yeah. So we do the for loop for I in range. The range is a backward from right to left side, so it's the length of the numbers minus 1 and stopped by 1, negative 1. Why we stopped by 1? Because we need to compare the I and the I minus 1. So we don't want to it out of range. So here, if numbers, we compare hi, and if it's greater than numbers I minus 1, and we find the pivot. Pivot will equal the I minus 1. Let me check. Yeah, so if we find I greater than I minus 1, and the pivot will be the I minus 1. And when we find the pivot, just break. So when we finish, then we have two possibilities. One is we find the pivot. Another one is no. If we did not find the pivot, so the pivot still be none. So if pivot still equal none, and we know we cannot find the pivot, we just return the numbers, the reverse. But it's here is the numbers reverse. Yeah. And if it's not happened, if it's not none, we find the pivot. We find the pivot 5. So what we need to do next is we find the swap number. That's the numbers, the first number greater than the pivot number. Yeah. So here we need to find the swap number, which is the first. I mean the first is we go to right to left. It's the first number greater than pivot. So swap will start and the right side the length of numbers minus 1, and we use a while loop. So the numbers, if the numbers of the swap is smaller or equal to the pivot, and we just update the swap. And when we finish this loop, this means we find someone. If some number is greater than pivot, and the while loop will stop. So swap number, we find the swap number here, and what we do is swap the swap number and the pivot. Number swap, the number pivot. Number pivot, numbers swap. Okay, so we swapped the pivot number, and so what we got here is right now 3, 4, 7, 9, 8, 5. So next step, we need the right side, reverse the right side. Yeah. So here, reverse the right side of the pivot. So the right side is the numbers pivot plus 1 and colon. That's all the right side, and equal to the reverse. I'm not sure I spell correctly the reverse. R-E-V-E-R. R-E-V-E-R. Reversed, okay? Reverse the numbers pivot plus 1 colon. Okay, that's pretty much. And don't forget to return. Don't return anything, just return. Let's show the code. Let's check. Yeah, it's beat 100%. Guys, see you next time.